Have you been patiently waiting to be able to purchase a Model 3 here in Canada? Well, with the announcement that Canada made a few months ago, which stated that they'll allow China-built EVs here in Canada, Tesla has now began shipping the rear-wheel drive premium to Canada, and you can purchase that car for $39,490. It does not qualify for the federal rebate because it is built in China, but still at $39,490, it's a great deal. And to give you some context, back in 21, I purchased my standard range rear wheel drive for $54,990. So this car is definitely cheaper than what it was in 21, but it also comes with a whole bunch of new features that my car didn't. It has the rear screen here in the back. It's got the LED lighting, adaptive headlights. It's got the full stereo system in it, the premium sound system. And the suspension is way better than what it was in my car. So you're getting a much better car for so much less. So if you've been sitting on the fence and you want to purchase one of these, go out and take one for a test drive and you'll never turn back, especially right now with the cost of fuel here in Canada. Like here in Vancouver, it's $2.24 per liter right now for regular gas. And I drive my Model Y here and it costs me just a few dollars per day to drive it. So make sure if you are looking to purchase one, use someone's referral link. It'll get you 3 months of full self-driving so you can get the full experience of how it is to have your car drive you to work, park, and then drive you home and park. You don't have to do anything. You just got to sit there and relax and be a passenger in your own car. Of course, you will have to pay attention to what's going on, but it's such an amazing car. I have my referral link down in the description, or you can scan the QR code on this video and it'll take you to my referral link. And again, if you have a friend that already owns a Model 3 or Y, well, just ask them for their referral code. They'll happily give it to you, and go out there and get yourself a new Model 3 rear-wheel drive premium. So if you order today, which is May 3rd, they're saying deliveries will be around sometime in June. So that's not bad because I waited several months for mine to come from Berlin. They're also listing the Model 3 Performance. So if you've been wanting to get a Model 3 Performance, you haven't been able to do it for months now. Well, now they have it listed. It's $74,990. Does not qualify again for any of the rebates. If you're looking to purchase any one of the Model 3s available, which is the rear-wheel drive premium and the Model 3 Performance, go ahead, take one for a test drive at your local service center, and then go ahead and order one. All you have to do is put down a deposit of $250. So we're going to see a lot more Model 3s on the road. Again, thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch you on my next one.